Boy, I'm taken! Hey guys, it's me and welcome back to another video. I apologize for not uploading in a very long time, but I assure you guys that I will be uploading more frequently now. Anyway, in this video, we are going to annoy some people, so this should be pretty fun. Kind bunny. Yes. Where is my cake? I don't know. You promised me cake. I must have eaten it. You what? Reported for bullying. By the way, I have no idea what's going on. This is a joke, right? No, it is not a joke. I want my cake back. Mythical. Can you adopt me? Please, 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 please? Yeah, I guess. Okay. Hello, daughter. Daughter, you said... What did I say? Hello? Can you adopt me? Is what you said. What is this? A bookshelf. Huh. Then what is this? A book. Please trade me. No. Please trade me. Please trade me. Thank you very much. Please trade me. We've been through this. Okay, sir. Okay, let's start over. What should you say? Please trade Nikki Nicole. I see Ninja. It's been so long. Where have you been? Hello? Where have you been? How rude. At least I have you. What? We were like best. Did you see that? Both my friends ditched. Are you just gonna walk away? OMG. Is that you? Snowflake? I haven't seen you in so long. Do you remember me? No, not really. I'm Brave. We used to throw mud at people. How can you not remember? You not feeding your child. You not grammar. I don't know. Snowflake. What? You must look in the backest of your mind. I don't have a mind. Okay. Alright. Do you remember me now? Yeah. Really? Yup. Huh. That's weird because I don't remember you. $1 black each. Worth is. Wow, you can't tip. Right. Medieval. Medieval. What? You look nice. Thanks. Gross. Eagle, we should talk. Boy, I'm taken. Notable. His expression was grim for a moment. How could you? How could you, Notable? Why did you do it? What did I ever do to you? Light shone upon his left paw, to which was almost completely stone. Notable, listen to me. Notable, this is serious. Is that so? Yes. I couldn't tell, as you used vague terms and horrid grammar. No, you. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to gently tap the like button. Don't forget to leave a comment down below because I will be replying to every single comment when this video gets out. And yeah, I will be sure to see you guys in the next video.